Hi there, this is Ranjit from tech2buzz.com, and today I have the unboxing of this NAS drive. This is a NAS drive by Iomega called the Home Media Network hard drive. This has a capacity of 1 terabyte and this works with both a Mac and a PC. The reason that I'm choosing a NAS drive is because I have multiple PCs and Macs in my work environment. I have 3 PCs and 2 Macs. So NAS, that is a network attached storage, makes sense. So let's get on to the unboxing of this NAS drive. So this is the NAS drive. It's a 1 terabyte drive, and on the side it says it's compatible with PC and Mac. On the back there are some specifications. This also contains a USB 2 ports for expansion. The good thing about this NAS drive is that it contains a DLNA and an iTunes server. Apart from that, this NAS also has a built-in BitTorrent client so that you can download torrents directly onto this NAS even when your PC or your computer is switched off. So let's get on to the unboxing. I got this for 7,000 bucks Indian rupees. Let me take this out. This is the NAS, actual NAS. Put it to the side. Let's see what else we get in the box. It's an Ethernet cable. Looks like a stand. This looks like the power adapter and the cables required for the same. So let's see what else is in the box. A CD-ROM, some documentations. What's this? Mozy Home. It's an online backup thing. Some manuals, I guess, how to use this, and again a quick start guide. I'll quickly open this NAS box so that I can give you a hardware overview of this. Looks really solid and built. This is the side profile. We have 2 LEDs, hard drive activity, and I don't know what else is that. This is the power on button, I hope. We have a USB 2 port. Via using this we can extend the capacity. We also have a gigabit Ethernet jack. This is going to be attached to our router, and we also have a fan, and the power adapter goes in here. The build quality looks very good. It's actually made up of metal, brushed aluminum, and from the front side this is how it looks. So in the next couple of days I'll be doing a detailed video review about this Iomega NAS box. So subscribe to my channel to be notified. This is Ranjit for tech2buzz.com, and I'll hopefully see you in another video. That's it for now.